ready to fortify your crypto assets against the wild west of the internet. Let's connect your Trezor Model One to Metamask for rock-solid security. First, make sure your Trezor Model One is initialized and has the latest firmware. Plug it into your computer. Open your Trezor Suite application. Navigate to your Ethereum account within the Trezor Suite. Click on Connect to Third-Party Wallet. This is key to linking with MetaMask. Now, open your Metamask extension in your Chrome browser. Click the account icon, then select Connect Hardware Wallet. Choose Trezor from the list of hardware wallet options. Your Trezor screen will now display a prompt asking you to confirm the connection. Carefully review the details. Press the Approve button on your Trezor. MetaMask will now display a list of Ethereum accounts derived from your Trezor. Select the account you want to use. And there you have it. Your Trezor Model One is now securely linked to your MetaMask. When making transactions, MetaMask will prompt you to confirm them on your Trezor, adding that crucial layer of physical security. Remember, always verify transaction details on your Trezor screen before confirming. This ensures your funds are safe from phishing attacks and malware.